Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe. In last video we have seen the use of asterisk to match to the error page or to redirect to the any page that is not available in my routes. It redirect to this page, error page, if the routes are not available in the following list. Means any routes that is not valid or not available will goes to this error page. Now one more step we are going to learn from here, the use of useNavigate. Suppose that from this page we want to go to the home page. So how we can go? So we open this error page and here I create one more button. I say button and on click we want to send it to the home page. We say home page. We want to learn this. So for that what we have to use, we have to import React first of all, and in this React we have to use useNavigate. useNavigate from reactrouter DOM, like that. We have to import it from there. Now from useNavigate we have to create an object or a variable. We say the object for function, I say navigate equal to useNavigate, like that we have to use it. Now we have to pass here the URL where we want to send it to this. For that we say navigate to the root, like that. Save this. You see that we use useNavigate here. By using useNavigate we create this object navigate. From this we are passing the URL that we go to the home page, and we can go to any page which you want, but for the demo purpose I am giving to reach to the root page. Now you see I refresh it, we have a home page here, and we can give it some classes also for this button. From bootstrap we say class name, and we can say that btn primary, like that we can give, or otherwise we can give some other page like information. We say warning. So we have this button, I click on this, you see we reach to the home page. Now if I click here the back page, then automatically we go to this page. Remember that I click on this and we go to the home page. If some other URL we give here, we say bad URL, anything which we give, we just reach to the error page, and I click on this and go to the home page. Remember that from the home page if I say back, you see I automatically come to the error page. If I want to stop this, I don't want user to be allowed to the back page or the history page where we were in the past, like I click here and go to home. Now I click on back button and I'm going to the previous page, but some reason I want to stop this. I don't want to allow the user to go back from my past URL on which I was earlier. Like I am in home page now and I go back and I go to the error page, so I don't want to allow the user to the error page or some other page to go back into the URL. Then how we can stop this, we will learn here. So by one technique, that we go to this error page and here we are passing this navigate to this URL. Here we can pass one more argument. Here in the object we pass replace, remember replace, and I just say here true and save this. So I just write here replace equal to true. That will stop my URL to go back and to open a history page, the back page. For that For that I need to close this browser first of all, then again I have to open the browser. Now just I open this URL again, and here I type some wrong URL and I say go back. You see, when I click on back button, so I am not able to go to the back page. Because of that we have replaced this from here, so we are not able to go back into the page. And programmatically also we can do this. Suppose in place of home page I navigate to about us page and I save this. So if wrongly someone come here like this and I click here, it go to about page. From this about page I want to go back page. So how we can go to the history of the back page? By programmatically, that we can also handle. So in place of this home page I say about us like that, and I save this and go to about us, and here I create one button and I say on click equal to, and here I say programmatically back, go back like that, and again I have to import here the same. So I say here, so I have to open this navigate, so use navigate from reactrouter DOM like this, then again create the object const navigate equal to use navigate, wrong spelling, we have navigate like this, and go back here, then I use arrow function and I pass here navigate to -1. Remember that I am passing here -1, that means we are going back, and for that I have to remove this replace also, because this replace would not work. If I will replace, then we would not be able to go back. Now in the about button programmatically we want to go back, so we have a -1 here, and if you see again we have an error page. Suppose we have error page like this, we have the error page, and I click about us, we go to this and I say go back, so I'm coming on the back page. But in about us, and we have to go back to the page, if I want to remove this, and again we can also change the class color of this button. So we say class name, and here we can pass btn danger, any color we can pass. I say save it. You see the go button red is there, we click on this go back, we are coming on a back button. So if I want to remove, you want to stop this back button also programmatically, so go to error page, and here again I have to pass the object and I say replace to true, that I don't want to go back programmatically also. So I just click about us, go back, and I click on this back button. You see that I go to the home button, I am not able to go back to the previous page of that. Again you can see that if I say some wrong URL, I go to this, I click about, I click go back, so I am not able to go back to the error page, I am going to the home page because I have given the instructions to open this home page. So like that way we can use this use navigate also to replace the history by using this object parameter we can pass, and we can go to the particular URL by using navigate to passing a URL here. We can also go back by passing a -1 here. We can stop also, and we can replace the history by passing this parameter. So that's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.